Hi, how would you like to have great looking graphics like what you see on the screen added to your blogs? This is Neil Walters with neilsvideos.com, and today I'm going to show you a nice online software suite called Canva. And all the pictures you see here on this blog that I've created were created with Canva, with the exception of that book cover there. So how did I do this? Well, you go over to canva.com. And this is an example of what it looks like. I've already signed in here. I think you can sign in with Google. And these are some examples of some pictures that I'd made recently. And this one up here I was just experimenting with. I never even saved it. So what this tool does, it lets you pick from these templates up here. And these are the basic templates, and then there's some more fancy ones later. So let's say you want to do a picture for Facebook. Let's just say social media. But like if you needed a cover page for Facebook, so you could design it right here. That's what I did actually over here last week. I created a new blog called goviralhub.com, and I use this for my Facebook icon. And then over here, I use this for my Facebook page cover. And it may not be as good as a professional artist would have done, but I did it in like under 5 minutes. And if I would have gone to Fiverr or Freelancer and hired an artist to do it, it would have cost me maybe $5, $10, $15, $20, and it would have taken me maybe a day to get it back, and just a lot of extra work. And like this one has the old-fashioned TV, and it was for a live stream event that I was attending a couple weeks ago. And so you have all these different graphics to choose from. Now, let me show you how it works. You click on social media here, create a new design. Okay, then over here on the left, you have all these different graphics to choose from. And for some reason, I must have been searching for Chinese or something recently, so there were some Chinese pictures up here. So there's something that's kind of it's also kind of Chinese looking. So let's say we want a image of what? A beach. Just pick whatever word you want. And they have all these pictures in here. And now you notice each picture either has, all the ones I've seen so far, they're either free or they're $1. And so let's use a free one here. So let's just drag it over here, and you see it. Well, this one doesn't exactly snap in. So once you lay it there, you may have to expand it a little bit, or you can make it really big like this and then center it. Or maybe you don't want that person in your picture, you just want the two chairs. So that's what you do. And then now you're ready to put some text over it. So now we want to do text. So come over here, and you can either do text and add your text manually. Well, I guess they're all sort of manual, but they have these pre-designed things called layouts. So actually, if I click layouts over here, well, those were layouts. I guess I don't know as much about this tool as I thought I did. So let's go back to text. So these are kind of like instant logo. They're not really logos, but they're very artsy, craftsy things. So say, for example, let's just drag this one over here. Now the question is, will it match your picture? That's the thing you may have to worry about. So like right here, if I make it a little bit bigger, that's not bad. So I want some big letters at the top and then maybe some smaller letters at the bottom. But now you get into the color issues. Like the white on this background is not very readable, so you might want a different color. And of course you're going to want to put different words here. So since I'm making a video, I have a very small screen here. So let's change the words first of all to vacation time or something like that. Vacation. And then down here you want to call this XYZ Travel Company. Whatever. Say that's your business that you're in. Okay, and you're creating a post for your Twitter or for your Facebook. And now, again, the color here is not good, so we want to highlight it. And then down here, there's a color icon. And these are your like basic, 6 colors. And red might be a little too ugly. It doesn't look too bad. Up here, I don't know, maybe a blue would be good since we have the ocean. Okay, so again, it's not perfect. So you might have to spend, who knows, 5, 10, 15 minutes until you find the right combination that works for you. And then when you're done, you basically do download right here. So you just click download. And if you picked an image that has $1 cost associated with it, or several images that have $1 cost, it's going to tell you if you download this now, it's going to cost you $1 or $2. And so what I did is I uploaded like $10 or $20 to my Canva account using PayPal. And then every time I download a picture, it's just taking $1 or $2 out of my balance. And then when my balance gets down to $2 or $3, I'll put another 10 or 20 in there. And so now when you download it, you can save it as different types of images or as a PDF. And so let's save it as a JPEG. JPG is a very common format used for web posting. And then it basically asks you where you want to save it, I think. It's doing a little preparation here. And by the way, when the picture is on the website itself, it has a little, I think they call it a watermark in the background so that you can't just steal the pictures. And it says your design is ready. Okay, let's click there. So first, let me show you, I'm using a Chrome browser to create this picture, and down here on the bottom toolbar, it shows me the files. And actually, if you click here, it says show all downloads. I believe it'll pop open another, well, in this case, another tab within Chrome that will show you those downloads. And here, here's my picture, halden.jpg. Okay, then what's nice is you click here, show in folder, and it will open up your downloads folder right on your disk, which in my case is users Neil downloads. And then now we just have to find that Halden file. And if we sort by date modified, and there it is at the top because today's February 3rd, and there's my file. And then if I click on it, it's going to open it in whatever picture manager you use on your PC. So on your PC, these file extensions like JPG are associated with a program, and different people use different programs. And here actually I don't have it associated, so I'm going to use this nice little program called IrfanView that I like. And there IrfanView opened it, and you can see it's a full-size image. It's 800 by 800, which you can't quite see. It's off the video, but it shows that in the lower left corner here. And let's see if I can just temporarily make it a little smaller. There you go. Let's do a couple more times. So there's my picture. It's 800 by 800. I forget what the 24 is, BPP. And I can now go post that on Twitter or Facebook or whatever, and I can put my link with it. And yeah, you could put your URL in the picture too, of course. And that's an example of how to create a quick little piece of art, a graphic, an image, whatever, and you can upload it to your social media, all for either free or maybe $1 if you want a nicer picture. So that is Canva, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos. I've been doing some recently on Trello, which is a project management system, kind of like having little yellow sticky notes on your PC. I did one yesterday called Draw.io, which is another graphics program that runs on the web that lets you draw images like flowcharts and organizational charts, more of a charting diagramming system, which is a totally different concept than graphics like this. So check out my other videos, and I look forward to seeing you there.